Black lipstick. It's a color that often evokes strong reactions, a shade that's steeped in history and symbolism. For some, it whispers of gothic romance and alternative subcultures. For others, it's a bold declaration of individuality, a way to challenge norms and express a unique sense of self. More than just a cosmetic choice, it's a statement. Once seen as daring, a boundary-pushing choice reserved for the avant-garde, today it's everywhere, a ubiquitous sight gracing faces from all walks of life. You'll spot it on runways, dictating the trends of high fashion, across social media, where beauty influencers and everyday enthusiasts alike showcase their unique takes, and even in everyday life, adding a touch of unexpected drama to the mundane. This isn't just a fleeting trend destined to fade with the seasons. It's a cultural shift. It's a form of self-expression, a way to communicate your inner world to the outside. It's a visual cue that signals confidence and creativity, an unspoken language that speaks volumes about your personality. Black lipstick is a true neutral, surprisingly versatile in its ability to complement a wide range of skin tones and aesthetics. It's adaptable for any style or personality, seamlessly transitioning from edgy and gothic to sophisticated and chic. The key is how you wear it, the subtle nuances of application and pairing that transform it from a simple cosmetic to a powerful statement. It's about the confidence you bring, the attitude you exude that elevates the look from costume to personal signature. Don't think of it as a costume, something reserved for special occasions or themed parties. Instead, view it as a powerful accessory, like a leather jacket, a timeless piece that adds an instant edge and a touch of rebellious cool to any outfit. When you wear black lipstick, you're not just applying makeup, you're choosing to be seen and to stand out, to embrace your individuality and make a statement without saying a word. It's modern, timeless, a classic that continues to reinvent itself, rebellious and undeniably chic, a potent combination that captures the spirit of contemporary beauty. If you're new to it, don't be intimidated by its boldness or perceived difficulty. Experiment, play with different shades and textures, and discover what makes you feel powerful, confident, and authentically you. This guide will help you unlock the magic of black lipstick, providing you with the tips and tricks you need to confidently rock this iconic look. Black lipstick. It's a statement. It's bold. It's iconic. And contrary to popular belief, black lipstick flatters every skin tone. It's all about finding the right shade and finish to complement your unique complexion and personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover the magic of black lipstick. From the fairest porcelain to the deepest ebony, black lipstick can be a stunning addition to your makeup repertoire. The key is understanding how the intensity of the black interacts with different undertones. On fair skin, a stark black lipstick creates a striking, high-fashion, and dramatic look. It's a bold choice that exudes confidence and edge. Consider pairing it with a minimalist eye to keep the focus on your lips. On medium and olive tones, black lipstick appears rich and sophisticated, adding depth and allure to your overall appearance. It complements the natural warmth of these skin tones beautifully. And on dark skin, black lipstick is seamless and powerful, enhancing the natural beauty and radiance of the complexion. It creates a harmonious and captivating effect. If pure black feels too intense or intimidating for everyday wear, try exploring off-black shades with subtle hints of berry, which can add a touch of warmth and softness to the look. Or opt for a chocolate-toned black, which offers a more muted and approachable alternative. Play with finishes to further customize your black lipstick look. A matte finish offers a modern, velvety texture, while a glossy finish adds dimension and shine, creating a more dramatic and eye-catching effect. Because black lipstick naturally draws attention to your lips, it's important to adjust your application technique to best suit your unique lip shape. Precise application is key to achieving a polished and flattering look. But most importantly, remember that makeup is all about self-expression. Wear what makes you feel confident, empowered, and ready to take on the world. When it comes to achieving bold, beautiful lips, remember that preparation is absolutely key. Just like an artist needs a clean canvas, your lips need to be perfectly prepped to showcase a stunning color. Taking the time to properly prepare your lips will not only make the application smoother, but also ensure that your lip color lasts longer and looks its absolute best. Begin by gently exfoliating your lips to remove any dry, flaky skin. This creates a smooth surface for even color application. Follow up with a generous layer of your favorite moisturizing lip balm. Hydrated lips are happy lips, and they'll hold color much better. Allow the lip balm to fully absorb before moving on to the next step. Next, grab a black lip liner. This is your secret weapon for achieving a defined and long-lasting lip look. Carefully outline your lips with the liner, paying close attention to your natural lip shape. The black liner not only defines but also acts as a barrier, preventing your lipstick from feathering or bleeding into fine lines around your mouth. Now, for the main event, applying your lipstick. For the most precise and professional-looking application, use a lip brush. A brush allows you to carefully control the amount of product and precisely fill in your lips, ensuring every nook and cranny is covered with rich, even color. Don't be afraid to layer your lipstick. Applying multiple thin coats, rather than one thick layer, will dramatically increase the intensity and longevity of your lip color. This technique helps the lipstick adhere better to your lips, preventing it from fading or smudging throughout the day. When rocking a bold lip, it's often best to keep the rest of your makeup relatively simple. This allows your lips to truly shine and become the focal point of your look. A clean and understated makeup look will complement your bold lips without overpowering them. Think a flawless base with a well-executed foundation, concealer, and powder. Groomed brows frame the face beautifully, and subtle eye makeup, such as a neutral eyeshadow and a touch of mascara, will enhance your eyes without competing with your bold lip. The goal is to create a harmonious balance where your lips remain the undisputed star of the show. Let your bold lips speak volumes and exude confidence. However, rules are meant to be broken. If you're feeling extra glamorous, don't hesitate to go full glam with a smoky eye. A smoky eye and a bold lip can be a stunning combination, especially for evening events or special occasions. Ultimately, the most important thing is to create a look that feels cohesive, authentic, and true to you. Whether you opt for a simple base or a full glam look, wear your makeup with confidence and let your inner beauty shine through. Black lipstick's history is rooted in rebellion and art. In the 1920s, silent film stars wore dark lips for dramatic effect on camera. Later, it became a symbol for punk, goth, and grunge subcultures, an act of defiance against beauty norms. By the 1990s, it was mainstream, embraced by pop culture and fashion. Today, black lipstick is high fashion and accessible, connecting us to decades of bold self-expression. Wearing black lipstick is empowering, a way to express confidence and creativity. If you're hesitant, start with a sheer black gloss or a deep plum. Try ombre effects for a softer approach. Makeup is about joy and self-discovery, not rules. Experiment, see how it feels, and wear it proudly if you love it. If not, that's okay too. The goal is to empower you to try something bold and celebrate your unique style.